Hi guys, so today I'll be walking you through the basics of HTML. So, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is easy and fun to learn. HTML describes the structure of web pages. Okay, HTML5 is the fifth and current major version of the HTML standard. So, we will ask ourselves why do we learn HTML5? Why are we learning HTML5? It's essential to learn HTML if you want to build websites. So the essence of HTML is to build websites. That is the real essence. So you are learning it. You learn HTML in order to improve your website building ability. HTML helps you to be able to build websites. You can't build websites. You can't build real good websites without using HTML. It's the basic structure of websites. You can just think of HTML like HTML is the basic structure. Like when you are building a house, if you are building a house, you have to first set the blocks. You have to first set the blocks, have a structure for that building. So that's what HTML is. Like HTML is the structure for your website. For even web applications. There are some web applications that are built with JavaScript. So HTML is still the foundation. You have to know HTML before you can go to most of those branches. And HTML is not only used by JavaScript. HTML is used by many other languages on the web. But there's nothing you want to do on the web that you won't use HTML. That is why HTML is very vast, important, and powerful. HTML is very, very powerful. So with that being said, let's move to an example. So let's click on the try it yourself. So this is a snippet of HTML code. You can see the doc type HTML at the top. That doc type HTML is just telling us that the document that you're typing in is an HTML document. So this is just the basic way an HTML code looks like. So you can see this thing at the back. At that point where I click, those are called tags. The whole thing, the HTML, open and closed braces. I call it braces here. Braces. That's open and closed braces. That thing as on its own. That's what they call tags. They call it elements. They call it tags, elements. Oh, that's just what they call it. So it has an opening tag and a closing tag. So this is the opening tag of the HTML. This is the closing tag. That's the closing tag. So in the basic HTML file, you surely see the HTML tag. You see the head tag. Everything are very important because they play a very crucial role in the development. You see the head tag. You see the body tag. And some other tags, some other very important tags, which have their different usefulness and functions. So as we go deeper into HTML, we understand. So this is the paragraph tag. As when you see this on the web page, this will look like a paragraph. It will be the beginning of the paragraph. That's how it's going to look. Just like when you're writing paragraphs in normal development, in normal code, or let me say in your normal writing. Writing a paragraph. That's how it's going to look. So let's just check the output. So this is the output. You can see this is the beginning. This H1 represents just the title. It's just one of those tags we use for the title. So this is the title, the H1. So that's the title and the P tag. So you can see here Lorem Ipsum Dolo Sit and it. This is a paragraph. So that's it for this video, guys. So let's just go over what we learned. The doc type HTML declares the document type HTML is a tag which contains all the other tags. So the head tag is the beginning at the top of the document. The title is the title of the web page. It will appear at the upper part of the browser. Body, the element includes elements like h1, p, image, img, bi. So these are tags. All these are tags. So the h1 this element defines the heading. P this element defines the paragraph. This element has the element names surrounded by angle brackets. So it's angle brackets, not braces. Sorry. So in HTML we start and end tags. Look at the example below. So just like the example I showed before. So you start and end tags. So this is just a basics introduction to the basics of HTML. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks for listening to this time. Thanks for being with me to this time. So thank you, guys. Thank you so much. So that's it for this video, guys.